The essential basic requirements for machining work are schematically illustrated in this figure, where it clearly demonstrates that the blank and the cutting tool are properly mounted in fixtures and moved in a powerful device called machine tool, enabling gradual removal of layer of material from the work surface, resulting in its desired dimensions and surface finish. Additionally, some environment called cutting fluid is generally used to ease machining by cooling and lubrication. So, what are the basic functions of machine tools? Machine tools basically produce geometrical surfaces like flat, cylindrical or any contour on the preformed blanks by machining work with the help of cutting tools. The physical functions of a machine tool in machining are: to firmly holding the blank and the tool, to transmit motions to the tool and the blank, to provide power to the tool work pair for the machining action, and to control the machining parameters, that is, the speed, feed and depth of cut. Now, how can we define machine tool? In simple words, a machine tool is a non-portable, power-operated, and reasonably valued device or system of devices, in which energy is expended to produce jobs of desired size, shape and surface finish by removing excess material from the preformed blanks in the form of chips, with the help of cutting tools moved past the work surfaces.